Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this loomipal kit, and I've actually got two because I got one from my Loom Star prize and a Secret Santa I did with my friends. So I'll basically be showing you guys what's inside the kit and what I think about it. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a like and of course subscribe, and go and follow me on Instagram, Shannon_looms. So this is the loomipal kit, and I'll open it. And I actually found out that the two different kits I got has different charms in it, so even if it's like the same loomipal. So this is what it looks like. By the way, I already opened it since I wanted to use a band. So it has 2 happy looms, 150 clips, 2,100 rubber bands, and 60 charms. I just really love the charms. So this is the colors you get. So you get white, purple, pink, green, neon yellow. You get, oh, I forgot what this one was called, but this is pink and this is kind of purple, dark purple. You get a happy loom. Wait, did it say you have 2? Oh yes, you have 2 happy looms, but I accidentally took the other one out. But you have 2 happy looms and you get your charms. So we'll look at the charms closely, and you get some G-clips to clip onto your bracelet. So overall, I think the bands are actually kind of the same, but I did notice when I was using the white bands, it's a little bit sticky for some reason. So I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's the same. So this is what the bands look like. You also get a gift bags, 12 gift bags. So let's go into look at the charms more closely. Alright, and one thing I forgot to show you is you also get a pamphlet of showing all the charms you can get. And this one over here says how to use a happy loom using the G-clip, and then on the other side it shows you all the characters you can get. But actually I got some characters that weren't on the list, so yeah, I'm not sure why it's like that. So these are the charms. They're adorable. So you can see that they give you a variety. So here's a popsicle and watermelon, eggs. We have some more like animals, dragons and stuff. So my favorite one out of all these, I actually don't know. I like more of the food ones. That's why I really want to get the food kit. There's also a dinosaur one and a food one, but I don't want to get the food one. I really like the mushroom, it's really cute. And probably the hamburger and the taco is really cute as well. These, yeah. So to do with the duplicates, there's not a lot in this kit. You get a lot of different types. You do get duplicates though, since there isn't, I'm pretty sure there's not like 60 different types of characters. So yeah, this is what the charms look like. And one more thing, I discovered that this is kind of, you can actually erase with these, so it's kind of like made with a eraser material, and it actually erases pencil as well. Alright, so for the, now for the other pack I got, and I'm not sure why they have different ones. Maybe it's like a newer version or something, but they have different types of charms. So as you can see, my favorite one from this kit is this one. It's so cute. And this one has more duplicates. And yeah, it's just different though. And this one is also only found in this kit as well, the rocket. And some other ones, this cupcake. So yeah, they have they have different charms in those 2 different kits. And they also come with G-clips, and they come in 4 different colors. They come in light green, yellowish white, pink, fuchsia, and purple. So how it works is, I think you clip this side onto the charm through there, like that, and then you can hook it onto your charm like that. It's really cute. Alright, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed. So what I think about this kit is it's really cute. I really like the charms, and the bands are great too. The bands that come into the kit. I definitely recommend getting them. And something I don't really like about it is that it has a lot of like duplicates, and I would like rather get like maybe one of each or maybe two of each. But so yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Shannon_looms. And yeah, bye.